Hi, my name is Raymond E. Paredes. This video is about the importance of understanding the self and my future career as a successful automotive mechanic. Firstly, understanding myself, self-awareness helps you recognize your strengths such as problem solving, skills, attention to detail, or mechanical aptitude. As an automotive mechanic, can be fulfilling for those who enjoy working with their hands, problem solving, and have a passion for cars. It offers the opportunity to work in a dynamic and evolving industry with the potential for growth and advancement. Abilities and a commitment to excellence as a mechanic is indispensable in maintaining the functionality and safety of vehicles, contributing to the efficiency of the automotive by embracing the challenge, know your skills, and stay dedicated to continuous learning and improvement. You can thrive on the dynamic and rewarding field as automotive mechanic. This self-awareness promotes collaboration, teamwork, and positive work environment, which are essential in automotive industry. Being self-aware allows you to understand your strengths, weakness, and communication style. Awareness enables you to work effectively with colleagues, collaboration positively to team dynamics, and for success, building a strong reputation for reliability, professionalism, and expertise will not only change career prospects but also contribute to a job satisfaction and fulfillment in automotive repair. While the automotive industry can be demanding, it's important to prioritize work-life balance to prevent burnout, find ways to unwind outside for work, and take care of your physical and mental being. And that's all about the importance of understanding the self and my future career as successful automotive mechanic. Thank you.